Today we are in Disko Bay in a town called Ilulissat, which is the third biggest town in Greenland with 4,700 inhabitants. And I'm going to show you now a little bit from the town and of course the famous Sermia, one of the biggest glaciers in the world. So let's go. A beautiful view to our ship, which is here, and there's another one from Hurtigruten. It is a little bit more difficult to travel around in Greenland than in many other countries of the world because there are no roads between towns. So you either need to take a boat or a helicopter, and therefore it can get expensive to travel between towns. Here we have the oldest church in Greenland, built in 1779 and was renovated in 1929. And the area here next to the church is just beautiful, with the kayaks around here and the icebergs out on the bay. And our destination later on is going over there to see the big Icefjord. Greenland has had a reputation of having many alcoholics, which was true. However, the alcohol and tobacco consumption have decreased a lot in the last years. So it's almost now in pair with the alcohol consumption in Scandinavia. It is unusually warm today. The forecast says that we'll have temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. Quite unusual for this place. So sun cream, very important. Here in Ilulissat we have somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 sled dogs. And the sled dogs is the Greenland dog breed. They have been here for hundreds of years, and of course they are used as working dogs to pull the sleds. Here they have the sports arena where they can play some indoor sports. I know handball is very popular here, along with soccer, or football is the correct way to say it, and volleyball. So they can do various things here. But of course they also do football outside and some winter sports. Last time I was here, they had no fences to put the dogs in, and now they have. I'm not sure the reason for why they do it here. Must be that people are feeding them or something, or getting bit, because there are many tourists that come here. And as you can see, the puppies, they roam around freely. Once you are on the way to the Ilulissat Icefjord, or as it is called in the native language, you will see a lot of sled dogs in the sled dog valley here. Hundreds of them. to walk from the town to where this hike starts to the glacier. Takes maybe, I don't know, 15 to 20 minutes. And we're gonna do the blue road, this one here, and walk all the way to the glacier end and back. But there are other options as well, as you can see. Most of the way is on this wooden path, so it's quite nice and easy to hike this 1.3 kilometer one way. And of course then you need to take the same way back if you want to do the same as we are doing, which means in total 2.6 kilometers. Here we have the Icefjord glacier. Massive. Goes further inland this direction. We found a good spot here over the glacier. Amazing view. And I'm gonna fly the drone now. Look at this. This is just crazy. There's no one else where we are now, so we have the place for ourselves. The only downside is that there's a lot of flies here and I've been bitten like 20 times already. Let's see when I get back to the ship how bad it is, but it is bad, I can tell you that. Last glimpse over the Icefjord. Amazing. Beautiful. The roof here of the Icefjord Center is very cool. Interesting design, and we're gonna walk over the roof. As I said earlier, there's a lot of tourism going on in Ilulissat and the surrounding area, and that's why there are a lot of tour operators here in the town center. You can see them all over. So guys, I think it's time to end the vlog now. We've been walking around the town and we saw the beautiful Icefjord, which was of course the highlight of the day. I think and I hope you got a nice impression of how Ilulissat looks like. And I really thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and see you next time.